You first have to register a TIN number. And what a TIN number is just your identification number from the Inland Revenue Department, because you didn't already have an individual identification number like the NIC. So they must have their own. You get a TIN number, you get a PIN number. A PIN is just like your ATM PIN. To access it, you need a password. If you have not registered for taxes yourself and the government automatically registered you, and you get letters but you can't access the online portal, you have to update your email address at the Inland Revenue. We have on our portal, we have a portal, and on that I'll show you where you can access that letter. If you want your tax type to be activated in order to pay taxes, you have to have the tax type activated. And when you activate it, you have to be super careful to activate it only from the 1st of April 2025. Because before that, you weren't liable, but if you accidentally activate it for that period, they will force you to file and will penalize you if you don't. And finally, sometimes your return won't show, and there's a method to issue it using the portal, which, you have to do that. You have to activate it yourself. You have to issue it yourself.